Hey everyone, welcome back to Office and Beyond. I'm Eugene, and today we have something exciting in store. Have you been in a situation where you have a presentation coming up very soon and wish that someone could help create it with a presentation script for you? Well, the someone that could help you here is Generative AI. We'll be exploring how we can leverage the power of Generative AI to create engaging PowerPoint slides effortlessly. We'll be using both Generative AI, ChatGPT, and Google's Bard AI in collaboration to help in generating the slides outline. ChatGPT and Bard AI will be instructed to generate a draft of our slides outline. Then we will select the preferred generated slide outline from either ChatGPT or Bard AI and convert the outline to a slide deck. We will use AI in PowerPoint to help enhance the slides. Next, we will ask the Generative AI to provide a presentation script for the slide deck and review the presentation script for us to fine-tune the script. Yes, you heard it right. There's a lot going on and it will be interesting. So let's dive in. But first, what is Generative AI? It's a type of artificial intelligence technology that can produce various types of content. ChatGPT is an example of Generative AI. It's fantastic at generating human-like text based on the input it receives. Another Generative AI example is Google's Bard AI. ChatGPT uses GPT 3.5 and its data collected is mostly up to 2021, whereas Bard AI has access to all of the internet and arguably has more updated data. To use ChatGPT or Google Bard AI, you will need to sign up for the service. You may go to the links provided here and in the description of this video and register for a free account. Today we're going to use ChatGPT and Bard to generate content for our PowerPoint slides outline. Pick one and then create the slides based on that. Before we jump into the slides, let's decide on the topic. For the sake of this tutorial, let's go with the topic that's important and relevant for most organizations, and that's phishing attacks and prevention due to the rise of cyber attacks. We prepare the slides for a general audience within an organization. When we use Generative AI, it is important to understand how to put forth our requests or to craft our prompts to effectively instruct AI to generate the outputs. Now, let's ask AI to help us generate some content for our slides. I will ask, create a slide deck on phishing attacks and prevention. The audience targeted is end users. Use simple language. Some key principles that we are using here to craft our prompts are clarity. We're going to use the word create, develop, expand, etc. Simplicity. Keep the prompts short. Thirdly, the context, the topic of the presentation. Fourth, being specific. Request the content produced to be targeted to end users and to use simple language. With that, let's start off with ChatGPT. Here we are, ChatGPT. Let's key this prompt in. Next, let's do the same thing with Bard AI. We're going to key in the same prompt, but in this case, we're going to specify it's up to 10 slides so that it can be compared to ChatGPT, who has just created 10 slides for this topic. Let's do that now. So here's Bard AI generating the slides, slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, and so on. We'll just leave Bard AI to do its job for now, and let's come back. So here are the generated slide outlines from both ChatGPT and Bard AI. We're just going to compare them side by side here. Looks pretty good. Both have done its job generating the slides that we need. So I think both are quite okay. I guess it's just a matter of preference. So let's just select one and create the slides from the outline. So let's just use the ChatGPT slide outline. Before generating the slides itself, let's remove the slide numbers from the outline. Here we go. You just need to key in remove slide numbers and ChatGPT will do the rest. Now, in ChatGPT, let's select and copy the whole slide outline. And we're going to copy and paste this into Word. So here we are copying to Web Word in Office.com. Alternatively, you can also copy it to Web Word in Outlook.com, which is free. Next, let's just select Export and export to generate the slides. There you go, the slides have been generated. Let's take a look. Looks pretty good. As you can see, the AI in PowerPoint automatically assigns the right images to the topic and to the points in the slides. So it's looking pretty good. Let's just go through it. Alright, I think it looks pretty good. And basically it's good to go. So the slide deck is finished. Let's turn our attention to generate the presentation script as well. We're going to use the generative AI to help us to do that as well. And we're going to generate the script based on a 30 to 45 minutes presentation. So here we are using ChatGPT to generate the scripts. In this next task, we'll ask Bard AI to review the script that has been generated by ChatGPT. So within Bard AI, we're pasting in the generated script and we're going to let Bard AI to review the script. It looks like overall, Bard AI approves of the script that's been generated by ChatGPT. Bard AI has reviewed the script and also suggested some improvements to it. So let's ask Bard AI to help us with that. Here we go. So here Bard AI has helped us generate a few real-world examples for our slide 5. Finally, as a last task, let's ask Bard AI to incorporate the improvements into our overall script. Here we go. So there you have it. We've used generative AI to produce our slides. We've used both ChatGPT and Bard AI to draft out an outline and selected ChatGPT's slide outline. We then generated the slides based on this selected outline. We've used ChatGPT to generate the presentation script that goes along with the slides. Finally, we've used Bard to review the script that's been generated and improve on it. And there you have it. Creating PowerPoint slides with generative AI is a breeze. You can also use it to review the work. It's a fantastic tool to spark ideas, outline content, and get your creative juice flowing. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more tutorials like this one. Until the next time, happy creating!